12 soft gel 3/4 ounce food color Chefmaster set. This set from Chefmaster includes all the colors of soft gel paste you need to mix and create signature looks of your own. The coal black is the richest black we have ever seen. There's a lovely royal blue, sky blue, and flesh tone. The buckeye brown is an unusual food coloring shade, sure to go well on a boy's birthday cake. Although we here do not typically need brown, when we do, it's nearly impossible color to find, and it is equally difficult to create on your own. Having a great shade of brown in an easy squeeze bottle that won't weep or harden with time is a wonderful convenience. It is possible to get even a single drop of color out of the bottles without any issues. Leaf green, sunset orange, deep pink, super red, violet, and lemon yellow round out the colors in this kit very well. Unlike most food coloring, Chefmaster products are not only vegan, but they are also certified kosher too. Made in the USA instead of imported from overseas, you can rest assured that there are no nasty surprises or pollutants in this soft gel paste. Many of the colors available in this kit are as vibrant as the ones offered by Americolor. These food colors do have a bit of a taste to them, so you should be careful when adding them to things like whipped cream or icing. For baked goods, the taste was not noticeable at all. The biggest issue with this set is that the bottles are only 3/4 ounce. For someone who only uses food coloring on the holidays, this would be an ideal set. For anyone trying to follow along with Cake Boss, this just does not have the volume of color you will need. Here are some pros. Vegan, kosher, made in the USA, dropper top. Cons: some taste, only 3/4 ounces.